Today I'm going to be doing the Charles Melton haircut. I've been getting a number of requests for it for quite some time, and I'm going to be doing the haircut where he's got a little length on top. It's a bit wavy, so you can get kind of some nice texture and wave, and then it's slightly layered and tapered throughout the sides and the back. So follow along in the video, and then I'll break it down at the end. All right, everyone, here's a finished result, and I'm going to break down the haircut. So the back is tapered down, and it goes from about 1 inch to 1.5 inches and through here, 2.5 to 3 inches or so, and through the very, very top and front, we're looking at about 4.5 to 5 inches long. Now, he does have curly / wavy hair naturally. I wouldn't say curly, but definitely more on the wavy side, which helps. But this mannequin, this is the Cole mannequin from Pivot Point International. It's totally straight, and the reason I'm able to get this sort of texture and this sort of kind of wave is because, one, the way I cut it, and also the way I dried it. So I used my blow dry cream, my crafted blow dry and style cream. I applied it to the hair when it was damp, and the blow dry, it's all about using your fingers. The more you try to rough up the hair or shake it like this, especially if it's wavy or curly, it's just gonna become a frizzy mess. So what you need to do is really just lightly blow dry it and scrunch like this. When you take your hand and you scrunch it, not shake the hair like that or rough it up, but literally scrunch it and kind of give it some texture with your fingers, you can see what that does. And then the product is really gonna help too as well. It has a very nice kind of tapered look, but it's also a bit messy and textured as well, and it's got some great movement to it. So it's a really, really good haircut that gives you a lot of versatility with the style, especially if you've got naturally wavy hair. Then I went back in and used the crafted blow dry and style cream again, just a little bit to kind of lock it in place and scrunch it, and then I'm going to let it air dry. It may feel still a bit damp, but the best way to let this kind of set itself is to let it air dry, because it's not going to become very, very frizzy, and it's going to be much easier to manage. You can also use Tidal Wave as well, which is a great product for finishing this type of look. Now, I know you all are noticing the yellow background. I just want to make use of the backdrops I have here in my studio. I think it looks pretty cool. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know if you like this haircut. Again, this mannequin is Cole from Pivot Point International. Really, really great mannequins. Let me know what you think about the haircut. Stay safe and healthy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for more videos with a Salon Guy.